Okay, here's a quick look at the E-mini S&P for Friday, August the 20th, 2010. Not a lot of movement here today. These market profiles that we like to use to gauge the market condition. This is today, this is what occurred yesterday, this is what occurred overnight. So we did have a continuation in the down auction. We were looking at fairly important resistance up around 78. Did not get up there that high overnight. It only reached 76 and then continued its downward move. So our next objective that we were looking at was 61. So I think the actual low was 61.75. So just came within 3 ticks of that expected down move. So that's really our containment for right now, around 61 to 78. With a downward bias going into next week. Of course, we also like to take a look at the regular profiles from the, I should say the market profiles from the regular trading hours only. In other words, these do not include the overnight session, and we use them as well in our analysis of the market. So you can see here that we had mostly a gray day today as far as the filter was concerned, and we did have a long trade here signaled. Of course, it wasn't taken because of the neutral filter within the down auction. We did take this trade though. It was a short trade entered here. We ended up it just didn't work out. We were not stopped out. We ended up by just exiting that trade after about 10 minutes with about a 2-tick loss. The next trade you can see triggered right here with this dashed blue line. Unfortunately, we didn't get filled on that, and it was a good-looking trade, fairly good rejection off of the lows, and then a nice green filter on an intraday basis, thinking that the market would probably have a bit of a bounce from there. After all, it had come very, very close to the 61 level known support. So unfortunately, just missed that. We did have a long trade here. We did jump on. Turned out to be a break-even trade, although not really one that we thought had a lot of potential, because we were also looking in around the 71 area as possible resistance as well. There were two other short trades that we took here, even though we were sort of borderline here, just moving into neutral. This was off of the neutral. Both of those trades ended up by being break even too. The market just, obviously was not moving very much today. So pretty quiet day. Not all that unexpected on a Friday afternoon in August. So we still have the down bias. We would look for around 78 as resistance. Even in around this area where the market closed around 71 could also act as resistance. And then with the 61 area as the next target down. So really that's about it. Very quiet day. So that'll be it for today. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate in contacting us. We can be reached at info@eminidaytrader.com. Always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So that'll be it for today. So thanks for joining us and watch the video. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday.